चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Meanwhile, the Delhi police has filed a fresh supplementary charge sheet in the Shraddha Walkar murder case. The Delhi police has filed this charge sheet in the case as this is a charge sheet that runs into more than 3,000 pages. The fresh charge sheet that contains digital and forensic evidence. It contains an entire history of Aftab Poonawalla and what corroborated as far as the statements that he had given. The supplementary charge sheet by the Delhi police that contains scores of digital and forensic evidence is what is being claimed. This was collected as a part of the investigation during this case and the statements that were submitted by Aftab Poonawalla. The digital evidence includes the Google location history of Aftab Poonawalla, which was corroborated with his travel to the locations where he had dispatched the body parts of Walkar. That murderous case of where he had chopped her body into 35 pieces and then bit by bit every night he would go to dispose of her body parts. The charge sheet also contains a detailed report of the evidences and how Aftab Poonawalla not just killed her but also disposed of her body after chopping it into 35 pieces. Let me cut across to Simran, who's joining us live to give us more details on the same. Simran, do tell us what all the charge sheet contains and how the Delhi police has gone on to prepare a watertight case such that the law can take its course in case of Aftab Poonawalla.
Well, Suesha, in such a case of Aftab Poonawalla and where such details had come back then, a supplementary charge sheet is what is coming right now as a big breakthrough. And in the supplementary charge sheet that has been filed by the Delhi police, it is very important to note that the locations which comes under the purview of the digital and also the forensic evidence which the Delhi police has been trying for months now to actually find out, the Google locations of Aftab Poonawalla along with that of Shraddha Walkar had actually been retrieved. And in this regard as well, the supplementary charge sheet actually mentions as to the very gory details of how the Google locations of both the personals, the victim and the accused, has been recovered, and after a particular time the location of Aftab Poonawalla was actually deleted. All these data which the Delhi police has been trying for a long time to retrieve, because it plays a very crucial role into the murder of Shraddha Walkar that had shocked the nation back then and continues to also bring out details which are even more shocking, actually is going to be a very big crucial document, in fact the crucial evidence which is going to in fact help and assist the Delhi police into going forward with the probe in the Shraddha Walkar murder case. Now the court definitely has taken the cognizance of the charge sheet that has been filed by Delhi police, and in not just this, the charge sheet also mentions the digital footprints of the location of the device as well, the travel history firstly, and second, the footprints of the digital evidence, that is the phones and other technical device that had been tried to be removed. So in fact, very important and crucial development coming in the Shraddha Walkar murder case. The charge sheet that comes as a supplementary one is going to play a very crucial role as even the case against Aftab Poonawalla goes strong ahead. Back to you, Shu.